Hello students, today we are solving the CUET PG Economics and question number 11 is the question today. A solid metallic sphere of radius 6 cm is melted and recasted into small solid balls of radius of 0.6. Find the number of bulks so formed. Okay, so in this case we need to calculate the volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r square. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r square, so 4 by 3 6 square, so that is 288 pi. First part done. Calculate the each of the small balls. So v equal to 4/3 pi r cube, 0.6 whole cube, so 0.113 pi. This I've calculated. So divided by this to this, so 288 pi divided by 0.113 pi. Pi cancels out, so this is 2550. Okay, so 2550 is this. So the approximately 2550 number of balls will be formed in the large sphere. Are the given option? Yeah, yeah. Closest option is 2000. गलत sum किया है, नहीं कर